Today we are gonna make mutter rice. So this is mutter. ये जीरा है, salt और घी. ये है rice और पानी boil. ये fire. Now we are burning some fire.
Whoa.
It's gonna kill me. Look at that! It's so cool. It's smoke. It's smoke. It looks like orange with spots in it.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to keep a
Bowl. The bowl will get hot, and then we'll put rice in it. And we have kept the bowl in the fire.
on the fire.
On the fire.
It's getting hot.
In the fire. It's getting hot. And it's gonna burn the fire out the bowl, and then we're gonna put some rice in it. The fire will burn the newspaper and the sticks. Now we are gonna put some ghee inside the bowl.
Whoa.
The ghee is gonna get melted like butter. It's getting yellow. Now we are adding the jeera. Next to.
How it's popping? देखो pop कैसे हो रहा है जीरा?
Now we put in water, and now we are gonna put the lid and wait.
For the rice to cook.
And we also put in some beans.
Bean कहाँ से डाला?
Not beans, mutter.
मटर को क्या बोलते हैं?
Peas. Look how it is now. It's boiling. Now we are collecting some leaves and are going to put it in the fire to make it all the rice to be baked. And now look how it is. It's gonna be delicious. Thumbs up and subscribe below.